Begin.
Hello, this is Jude here, and we're going to be starting a new film on the Lego Star Wars Platoon Starfighter, and it comes with 2 figures. First of all, Platoon, Jedi Master. You can turn his head right now. He has a rubber head. And you get the lid. You get R-74 with a new Clone Wars head. He's kind of cute because he's supposed to be cute like in the movies. And now onto the set. So, first of all, you get the cockpit, opens up. On the back, landing gear just slides down. The wings pop down. Over here is to keep Plo Koon's lightsaber. Nah, and this is where our R7 can go. Over here is where Plo Koon pops out of. Sticker here, sticker here. Over here, this sticker keeps peeling off. Now it isn't. Sticker here, stickers here, sticker there. Over here are the blasters, and this opens up. The engine. And I mean, these holes are a great set. The wings come with the set, and they flap up, and they're landing, they go down. When they're flying, they open up. Like he sits this. Plo Koon sits in there. Always you need to take off his lightsaber. Even R-74 can't fit in there cause that's why. Kinda good. When he wants to get in there, you have to take his legs off. There. Nice set. It's good, and please be doing. Do a review if you have one. Please do subscribe, and goodbye. Wasn't